This is Caesar 1.3.9. Hic oratione adducti. Influenced by this speech. So we have a PPP here, perfect passive participle, and ablatives here, right? Ablative of means. Frequently seen after a passive verb form. If you see a passive verb form, look for the ablative. Influenced by this speech, among themselves, they give, I'm going to say guarantee, can mean faith, loyalty, and they give an oath to be sworn. Now here we have the gerundive. Lovely. I know some of you are big fans of the gerundive. And this jus, that's a funny little word. It's accusative because it's neuter. And as you know, the nominative and accusative of all neuters is always the same in Latin and Greek, and the plural always ends in a. So you can see it looks like a nominative, but it is accusative. And this is modifying it. An oath to be sworn. And, okay, a little bracketing here. We got an ablative absolute here. Ablative absolute. Once power was taken. With power having been taken. After power was taken. There's lots of translations for those. Among the three most powerful and strongest people. Okay, these are superlatives, right? Superlatives. Potentissimos, fermissimos. Right? That issimos gives you the superlative. They hope, okay, now there's a lot going on here. They hope, that's big V, that's your main verb there. To be able, that's present, active, infinitive, there. And this is the present passive infinitive. They hope to be able to get power over all of Gaul. And this is genitive. Watch out, that's an irregular genitive there, totius. I'm going to talk about that a little later on. And sese, that refers back to the Helvetii, or at least, Orgetorix and his buddies. And that's the subject of posse. They hope that they are able to have power over all Gaul. This here is the present passive infinitive. This is a deponent verb, right? Present passive infinitive. Okay, potior potiri. So there it is. So a lot going on there. And jus gerundum, we've got this gerundive. I asked you, what's actually going on with jus gerundum? Well, they're basically sort of signing a contract. Probably just an oral contract, but oral contract, giving your word, very important back then. And then everything that's going on here, we've got main verb, complementary infinitive, second complementary infinitive. So this one is dependent on this one, and then this one depends on this one. And then this is the subject accusative of this one.